So the best way to seam this top up and add straps and finish the sides, you guys are going to want to go where you tie on right here. You're going to single crochet across. You're going to chain 20, I believe is what the pattern says. You're going to single crochet here, single crochet down, back around this other side, single crochet across, chain 20, come right here, tie back on, tie off, and weave in your ends. And then you're going to start, and you're going to make sure, when you did that, you had right sides facing together. So it'll be this way. And then what you're going to do is you're going to tie on down here. You're going to seam up, connecting both the front and back panels. You're going to seam up around here with single crochets. You're going to single crochet 20 around this chain or in this chain. You can go in the stitches or around them. I found it easier to go around them, so that's what I did. And you're going to come back to this corner, come down, turn here, and come here. And that's where you're going to tie back off and weave in your ends. Again, on the other side, you're going to tie on here. You're going to seam your way up front and back. Then you're going to follow this line, single crochet all the way up, single crochet around or through all of these chains, then single crochet all the way back down here, tie off, and weave in your ends. And that is how the construction of this top works.